Day 8, packing up camp, heading to see the biggest tree in the world.
Grant, at least Grant said.
Grant told us that. And then, no plan after that.
No plan.
All packed up. Oh, there's so many dead butterflies. We got our showers. We're gonna go see the biggest tree in the world.
Per Grant.
Per Grant.
30 years back, I'm like, who the f is Grant?
We're gonna get going. Lock that.
Look from here, bigger than the other one.
Well, there it is, right over there. Well, we made it to the tallest tree on Earth.
It's there for 5 seconds, no left.
Yep. The camera died, so I had to use my phone, but it should work out all right. Biggest tree in the world. Ever.
Ever.
It's 1,000,000 years old. Well, I'm trying to decide whether to go to LA or San Diego and then up the coast. So, that's the predicament right now. Good old LA traffic.
Yep. No air conditioning. That's the text I get.
Just passed through LA on our way to San Diego.
And so let's now.
Quarter mile, take right onto Front Street towards Civic Center.
Made it to San Diego. Spent 2 hours driving around trying to find a hotel because camping here would be hard. What'd you find?
Just like $45 for 3 extra large pizzas. Or 3 extra large pizzas. To a 2-bed hotel room.
We're tired. We ate Denny's, which is always fantastic.